In this operating mode, only the fan operates, so the appliance does not heat the room. This is ideal during summer days because it moves cool air around the room. To select this mode, press the cooling fan button on the remote control. The display shows the cooling fan symbol. There are 10 fan speeds available. These can be increased or decreased using the fan speed buttons on the remote control. The speeds increase one at a time. The product is designed to offer constant air purification from allergens and pollutants. The purification function is automatically activated both in heating and cooling fan modes. If air purification is desired, regardless of the need for heating or ventilation, it is advisable to set the product in cooling fan mode using ventilation levels 1 through 5.